I've often wondered, how do I make my videos a little bit more film-like? First is to come up with a concept. Let's turn a fun holiday video into something like a horror film by just adding a few elements. Let's dive in. I'm going to use Filmora mobile for this project, so I have Filmora installed on my phone, so just click on Filmora. I am going to select a new project. I'm going to go to video and select these few clips to make my video. And click on import. Now as you can see, this video is quite bright. It's sometime in the afternoon. Gua Tempurung is a local caving area for beginners. It's an entirely safe place. Now this is the other clip that I'm going to use. So first I'm going to trim off the clip. Somewhere here, I am going to trim and delete the front portion of that video. Move somewhere here. Now the first element I want to add is the look and feel of the video. So I'm just going to use some filters to give it some color that will make the video look more film-like. Go to filters. I'm going to look for the film filter, and I found this Grim Horizon, and the name looks suitable for this. And right at the bottom, I can select apply to all, which is what I want to use. And I'm going to apply Grim Horizon, and you can see this change straight away, right? Besides this clip is a bit too bright, so what I'm going to do is to adjust this using the adjust button. Reduce the exposure and reduce the contrast as well, and reduce saturation. The next thing I want to do is to add some sound effects. So what I'm going to do is to move my clip here. I'm going to put a sound effect right at the beginning to set the tone for that video. And let's add music. Click on sound effects. Let's go and look at this one. I'm going to try scary sound number 2. And it allows you to download, right? For example, if I want to download this Scary Riser, click on it and it's downloaded, and then to add this, you press on the plus sign or the add sign. So I'm just going to use scary sound number 1. Let's take a listen. Let's turn the volume down slightly. Okay, I'm going to trim off the back here. Now here, it happens that I kind of have a small rant. So I thought maybe that's the time for another sound effect. I am going to put, say, a ghost breath effect. Let's take a listen again. I need to lengthen the front part of the video because I want to hear the sound first before I start running. Okay, now I can also add my own sound effect by going to music. Now, there are a lot of music that you can select that is built into Filmora mobile, and you can also upload them onto your phone to use your own. So I am going to click on mine, then Walking in Shallow Water. I downloaded this sound from YouTube Audio Library, so let's just add this. That's how you can actually set the tone of your video and make it into a film-like. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you like it, do give it a thumbs up by clicking on the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribe. And check out what's on the screen right now for the next Filmora tip.